We are wired on purpose to avoid rejection. That is our primitive brain. Rejection back in the day, like way back in the day, our ancestors, meant death. Like literally, like you get rejected from the tribe, you're dead. So what you're doing is you're just rejecting them ahead of time. You're rejecting yourself ahead of time so you don't have to actually deal with the rejection from somebody else. So here's what you have to get super good at: being rejected. That's like a skill set. No, I'm telling you, you have to tell your brain, listen, it's going to be okay. Watch this. We're going to get rejected and we're not going to die. And then you go and you get rejected and you don't die. And your brain's like, huh. And then you do it again. And then you do it 500 more times. And then your brain's like, maybe we're not going to die.